Now, before I get into how to set this up, let's quickly talk about costs because I think there's a little bit of confusion around this. clawd.bot itself is completely free to use. It's open source. You can download it, run it on your own system, run it on a separate computer, run it on a virtual private server, completely free to use. But if you do run it on a VPS, you might need to pay for that. If you do buy a second computer to run it on, you obviously got to pay for that. And third, there are going to be API costs. So if you want it to, for instance, use Claude Opus 4.5, you're going to pay Claude API fees to use it. If you want to use GPT 5.2, you're going to have to pay OpenAI API fees to use it. If you wanted to use 11 Labs, same thing. Any tools you give it access to that have cost to use those tools, you do have to pay the cost of those tools. But clawd.bot itself, which is sort of the orchestrator of all of these tools, costs nothing to use. If you're using clawd.bot a lot and you're having it tap into the Claude Opus 4.5 API, well, your API costs can rack up pretty quickly. So you do need to be aware of that.